Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. And first, we are going to see a monthly candle. Then we are going to switch on weekly and daily and 15-minute time frame. So first things, some of our video when market was trading here, that would be in 14,000 or 13,800 somewhere. We have done discuss that if seller is strong, they are going to closing this month below all of this swing. If I tell you the exact reason, and market has done already similar the things that we have done expecting in some of our previous video. I don't remember actually, but somewhere we have done discuss on that thing. So if I tell you in details why this selling happening, why this candle has made completely negative candle on monthly chart. First things, if you see here, there's a seller try to sell again on the higher side. That's a retracement definitely, but this retracement didn't work. Buyer able to close on the higher side. That means buyer is stronger on here. And second month seller try to sell again, but within 15 to 16 or after 20 16 to 17 days later of the month, buyer take the market on the higher side and closing on the positive momentum. And finally, there's another green candle. Seller try to sell again. This selling was happening first of the month, which is 1 to 15 to 16 days of the month. But 16 to 17, 18 days market has reversal and it has been closing on the higher side. That means buyer has been trying multiple times to hold the higher range. And the third month or fourth month when market was trading below 14,000, we have done discussed clearly. There is a sign if seller are strong on that market, they are going to close below all of this swing. So why they are going to close below this swing? Because after closing the swing, there will be no more any buying scenario. Buyer are not going to touch, and definitely those are the buyer who buy from the who able to buy the market and hoping to take the market on the reversal side. They're going to be put their stop loss definitely in 13,000. 13,000 is very crucial and support for the market that time. But the moment it's closed below 13,000, there is no any buying scenario. Market is now on monthly time frame completely a negative, and the price action, if you see, is completely on the negative side. And it can be fall down till I don't know, but it's look like the support 12,000 is another round level, and 11,000 it could fall down that kind of range. But definitely is market is totally worse scenario. It's even worse more than 2020. If you see here, it's not that much of correction when the virus was impact on the market, but right now market is completely very much negative and panic selling happening on the market. So you don't have to be selling. Just if you understand the price, go with the market. If market giving you the sign for the selling side, go and sell the market, short the market. You don't have to be panic, and you don't have to do calculated where market can go. 12,000, 11,000. This is not your work to analyze here. You just have to take a trade the direction of the market. So right now market is completely in negative scenario on a monthly time frame. So let's see on weekly time frame how market can move and this week, and how we can plan for this week. And there's an important point here. Some of our video we have also done discussed market cannot fall directly in one direction. If you see here, 1 2 3 4 5 candle, five candle that to be in negative in one direction, market continuously coming down on the selling side. So this is price generally did not work. If I tell you the price importance, generally price do not move here. And yes, that's easy to understand. In selling side, market fall aggressively, and when market will go on the higher side, it will go and slow and steady on the higher side. So these are the things you can see in here. Market has been falling sharp aggressively in one direction generally. If I show you even here and previous time, you will see here is a four candle that will be in red candle. Continuously selling, there's another green candle. Even here, continuously selling, three red candle, there is one green candle. Even on here, uh 1 2 3, there's another three red candles selling, there's one green candle. So these things are generally happen on the market. So what I mean, market cannot go directional in one direction. Market cannot go one direction directly. So market need to pause somewhere. So in this candle, how we can plan on here, 12,500 going to be very important support for the market as a psychological level. 12,500 going to be very strong and emotional support for the buyer. And these are the things we have done discussed each and every video in our previous tab. If you didn't see, go and check it out. We have done discussed that 12 market can fall down till 12,500 because it's just a price. You need to understand there is no any rocket science that you have to do on the market. It's just the price that are saying when the market was sustaining here on daily time frame, summer market was trading more than 8 to 9 days. That day we have done discussed that we have done predict if this range break out even higher side, even lower side, any of the side, if market break down or break out, it can fall aggressively. If it is fall down, that 12,500 can be reached easily in the market. And see the result how aggressively are selling in after break down that range in that time frame. We will see no problem. So right now how we can plan here, 12,500 going to be very important support for the market once again. Why? Because that's a support for the emotional support for the buyer, psychological support for the buyer. So market need to pause, and there's a perfect example that we have saw here. And these are the all similar the things that market has done here after five candle one direction. Market need to pause somewhere. So if market going to pause here, we can see this month this kind of uh, reversal candle, or even this kind of confusing candle in this range that will be in 13,000 to 12,500 500 range. This range we can see this kind of reversal candle, sorry, this kind of confusing candle or this kind of reversal candle we can see here this week. So don't aggressively going to sell in the market, because aggressive selling has been started on 15,000 round level somewhere. So market has been fall almost 2,000 points. So seller already on the profit. So it is not recommendation right now to sell aggressively in the market, because seller are on the profit. So if there, it's not me only, everyone are seeing here, every buyer, every seller, everyone can see this 12,500 going to be very strong support for the market. And because this is the last moment time market has been pulled back here, so definitely if market expecting here, some buyer, few buyer are also expecting to buy from this range. So after hit, you will see after 12,500, maybe it in Monday or Tuesday it can go down below, but chances are very high it can be reversal from the upside, because these are the buyer are waiting to buy in the market at psychological level. So this week we can see this kind of reversal candle, or this kind of confusing candle this week. So I hope you understand the point. And so let's see on daily time frame how market can move. As I see here, as we saw on the weekly time frame, 12,500 going to be important support. Last Friday, after touching this down level, market has been reversal on the upside. So generally, uh, if market need to continue for the selling, then market then on a daily time frame, seller need to close below 12,500 levels. But then it can be another sign for the selling side once again, because this range are going to be a support for the market. So all of the buyer, uh, all of the major buyer who wants to take the market on reverse from here, they're going to be uh, put their stop loss or buying level going to be 12,500. If anything closing below 12,500, that to be in daily time frame, there's another sign market can fall again. How long we don't know, but on a as a chart we have seen on monthly time frame, 12,000, 11,700, 11,500. That could be that could be our target for the selling side. But for the right now, we have to wait till closing 12,500. This is our primary analysis. So anything gap down, they're going to be on demand zone, so market can reverse on here. So let's switch on to the 15 time frame to intraday, understand the movement of the price, and how we can plan for Monday. Right now market, if you see here, it was a continuously on the downtrend here. So market right now in Friday, after closing, we have also discussed that you are only planning for selling after 12,800 or 12,700, any candle closing we can sell in the market. And our target is going to be near on 12,600 or 12,500. And after touching this level, market can reverse. And this is how we see after touching this level, market aggressively gone on the higher side. This is a reversal, because this is the perfect example, the buyer are waiting to buy from here. So how we can plan on Monday, suppose anything flat, we need to wait to close 50-minute time frame on 12,500. Anything closing below this swing, you can sell in the market. Target is going to be 12,400, 12,450. This is going to be initial target for the selling side. But if you want to sell, market need to close a flat and candle closing that to be in 50-minute time frame 12,500. Then you can sell in the market 100 or 112 30 going to be your target for the selling side. So anything gap up, that will be uh, 12,770, 780. There's a sign market can reverse here, because if you see here, multiple time from that range, buyer try to make a reversal plan here. Even on here, buyer after opening flat, buyer try to make a reversal on the higher side. That means buyer are on the market. So anything gap up for the buyer, definitely will try to uh, buy from here. So it's just not that much of big momentum. After opening 12,770 or 780, you can buy in the market, and target will going to be 12,900. um, it's 100 point range for the buying side, but there is no any strong recommendation for the buying side until market closing 13,500 round level. 13,000 round level need to be taken off, then we can buy aggressively in the market. Till now we have to wait. If you want to buy, do not plan aggressive quantity on the market for the buying side or even selling side till closing 12,500. And if you want to buy in the market, aggressive quantity should be 13,500 round level above. So for tomorrow after opening, market need to open gap up, which is 12,780 70. Then we can planning to buy in the market, that to be in small quantity. 12,900 going to be our first target, because market cannot go directly on the higher side. If I show you the example on here, maybe video will go longer than usual, but I will just show you a few example of the price point. If you see here, market has been sell aggressively on that here. After aggressively selling, buyer try to make a reversal from here, but gap down again selling. After aggressive selling on that range, did you see here how long market has been accumulate here to just to take a breakout on the upside, and there's a breakout upside. Another day again gap down, market has fall again. That means buyer try to make a reversal from here, but due to the gap down, market cannot sustain. And in another gap down, market has sharp fall again. There's another accumulation zone. At the huge time market is spanning here, there's another breakout. Again gap down, market has been again selling. So this is the reason market are not able to hold on the higher side. And these are the scenario. It's one thing is come from buyer try multiple time to hold on the higher range. They are not sustaining on the higher range, and seller already closed below this range. So chances are very high. It just need to continue after hit the resistance level. It just need to continue on the selling side. So market can aggressively selling even in future until anything candle close below 13,500 above. Then we can planning for the buy. That could be in future. So right now market is negative, so you don't have to be panic. Just understand the price, go with the market, short with the market. And anything gap down 12,200, 12,400, anything gap down, market can go on the reversal. So if you want to buy after a reversal in the market for the short covering, you just have to wait for 50-minute green candle. If you see any green candle 50-minute time frame, you can buy in the market. It's just a probability, it's not a confirmation for buying or selling. After making green candle, you can buy in the market for tomorrow, Monday morning. It can go on the reversal, but you need to wait for 50-minute time frame. 50-minute time frame, if you see any green candle, you can buy in the market on the higher side. So I hope you understand all of my points. So just do your own research. It is not any recommendation for buy or selling. It is just my own view for tomorrow, how I'm going to planning. I'm just going to share with you. So if you are price trader, then welcome. If you are indicator trader, just try to understand the price, because everything on the price, it's not that much of difficult to understand. Just give yourself time to understand the price. So let's see which stock we can planning to take for tomorrow. First stock going to be PayPal. It's also for selling, because just let it load first. First stock are going to be PayPal. Last swing was here. This was 84, 83, 82 was actually support for the market. But on Friday, market able to close below this range. So swing has been taken, and so support has been taken off. 80 as soon as it cross 80, we can sell in the market. 1 or 2 hour going to be target. Our market need to be open on a flat 78 to 79 range. Market need to open. Then we can planning 80 as soon as it cross 80, we can sell in the market. 1 to 2 hour target. First stock is PayPal, and second stock are going to be Baidu. This is also for selling side. There's important things. If you understand here, it was support, it was a range for the market. 3 to 4 days market was trading here. It seems like they're able to their buyer try to push on the higher side, but last 2 days, Tuesday and Thursday and Friday, market has been break down this range. So support has been taken off, and the next support is going to be $110. So it is range for 5 to 6 point, but you need to wait 1150. Anything 1150 closing we can sell in the market, and 1 is to 2 going to be our initial target, and 2 to 3 dollar going to be your our stop loss, and 1 is to 2 are going to be our target. So I hope you understand my point, friends. I understand that video has been uh, get longer than usual, so I apologize for that. So I hope you understand my point and enjoy the video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video again. Thank you very much.